Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna recreate Shraddha Kapoor's this look from her new song Psycho Saiya. And to get started, I primed my eyelids using e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and blended it with my finger. Then I'm going to use this brown color from MORPHE palette and I'm going to use that as a transition color. And then using this darker brown color, I'm going to use that as a crease color. And I'm going to use that even darker color to layer on top of the other two colors. Then I'm going to do a very soft cut crease. I'm using a concealer to cut the crease here. And then I'm going to take this golden shimmery color from the same MORPHE palette and I'm going to put that on the lid area where I cut the crease. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use this peach color corrector from REVLON and I'm going to use it under my eyes and other problem areas on my face. And I forgot to apply my primer, so I'm using Smashbox setting spray as a primer here. And next for foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible foundation in shade 203. I'm going to directly dot it all over my face and first going to blend it with my finger, and then I'm going to use a beauty sponge to blend the foundation into my skin. Next for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in shade Golden. I am going to put that under my eye area and all the high points of my face and also my lower cheeks. And before I blend in the concealer, I'm also going to put the contour product on my face. And for contour, I'm using this Makeup Revolution contour kit. And I'm going to put the contour product on my cheekbone area, lower lip, nose, of my forehead, and just above my natural jawline to get that chiseled look. And then I'm going to go back and forth to blend the concealer and the contour product. And I used Smashbox setting spray to wet the concealer since it was getting dry. And next I'm going to use this brown color from Makeup Revolution Blush Contour and Highlighter Palette, and I'm going to put that on already contoured areas on my face. For blush, I'm going to mix these two colors together, and again this is from Makeup Revolution Blush Contour and Highlighter Palette. Next I'm going to use Body Shop Liquid Highlighter and going to put that on all the high points of my face. And then to get an extra dewy glow, I'm going to use this Button Wild Highlighter and going to layer on top of the liquid highlighter. Next I'm going to very naturally fill in my eyebrows using e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. And then I'm going to apply these falsies, and I got these from eBay. And then I'm going to use the same transition color on my lower lash line and also the golden lid color on my lash line. And for lipstick, I'm using this reddish color from Makeup Revolution. For my hair, I used REVLON 1-inch curling wand. And here I sectioned off my hair. And I randomly curled all my hair in no particular order.
I am what I say, you're psycho.